ATV 14 Sport Swim Spa. If you are a pool retailer in the Asia Pacific or the Middle East, you might want to check out this amazing product that can transform any backyard into a spa paradise. Imagine a hidden oasis under a layer of artificial grass that can be revealed with a push of a button. This is not a sci-fi fantasy, but a real innovation that offers luxury, comfort, and relaxation. You can choose from different models of this ingenious system, such as Summits, which can fit up to 7 people and provide various types of massage, including Japanese shiatsu and Swedish massage. This spa shell weighs about 500 kilograms when empty and requires around 1,779 liters of water to operate, which is equivalent to 22 laundry cycles or 177 showers. Sounds tempting, right? Don't miss this opportunity to impress your customers with this cutting-edge technology that combines nature and wellness. Pergola Solid. Pergolas are becoming smart too. This one could easily be part of a resort or hotel. This company makes them to order, offering many options like lights, glass features, and some free electric shutters for security. These pergolas can have openings up to 7 meters wide and include a rainwater drainage system, allowing you to store furniture and accessories safely. With 8 movable parts, 6 in the walls and 2 in the roof, you won't have to choose between sun protection, ventilation, or privacy. KOWOLL M28E. Imagine a machine that can explore the moon, map its surface, plan its route, and navigate with precision. Now imagine that machine in your backyard, cutting your grass. That's what this lawnmower can do. It uses 3D LiDAR SLAM technology, mapping, smart route planning, and direct navigation to mow your lawn with centimeter-level accuracy. It doesn't need satellites, wires, or boundaries. It can cover up to 4,000 square meters in a day and adjust its cutting height from 30 to 85 millimeters depending on the zone. It also has anti-theft features that alert you and track its location if it leaves your property. This lawnmower is so smart that it raised over $600,000 on Kickstarter. It's not cheap, but it's worth it. This is the lawnmower of the future. SPINX. What if you could have a robot that cleans your toilet for you? A robot that fits in your toilet lid, scrubs your bowl and seat in a flash, and uses any cleaner you like. A robot that runs on a rechargeable battery, lasts for 30 cycles, and has a handy base to power up. A robot that can handle any weight, just in case you have a heavy guest. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. It's real, and it's only $200. Meet the robotic cleaner, the smartest thing to ever happen to your bathroom. Homevac. Do you live in a shoebox home? That's what some journalists call the small houses in the UK, with only 76 square meters of space. But don't let them get you down. Your home may be small, but it can be sparkling clean. All you need is the Homevac Central, the ultimate vacuum system for your tiny abode. It has one powerful unit and multiple ports, round ones for the hose and square ones for the debris. It sucks up dirt and dust like a beast, with 5 to 10 times more cleaning power than ordinary vacuums. It also saves you energy and time, as you can control it with your smartphone. No more dragging a heavy vacuum around your house. Just sit back and let the Homevac Central do the work for you. It's the smartest way to clean your shoebox home. REHAU Smart Guard. How would you like an alarm system that stops burglars before they break in? That's what REHAU, a German company, has invented. It has sensors that sense when someone is near your windows and doors, and then it flashes lights and makes noise to scare them away. The smart thing is that it only works when the person is really close, like 20 centimeters away, so it won't bother you or your neighbors with false alarms. The app will let you know when the alarm goes off and also let you control it manually, like turning it on and off and checking your windows and doors. REHAU says it's a very innovative solution. Do you agree? Ring smart lighting? Do you want to light up your home and keep it safe at the same time? Then you might be interested in this innovative lighting system that works as a part of your security network. The creators of this system say that their goal is to enhance security right from your doorstep. What makes this system unique is that it connects seamlessly with other devices such as cameras and doorbells. Each light has a motion sensor that can detect movement within a 4.5-meter range and a 140-degree angle. You can also get notifications from Alexa about who is visiting your home, whether they are expected or not. And the best part is that you only need 4D batteries per year for each light, which costs only $30. Isn't that amazing? G-Knob. Imagine living in a smart home where you can control everything with a single device. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that dream is now a reality thanks to a Chinese team who invented the G-Knob. The G-Knob is a versatile controller that lets you adjust the temperature, lighting, curtains, and even the mood of your room with a simple twist. You can attach it to the wall or place it on a stand. The G-Knob automatically recognizes the smart devices around you and shows them on its screen. It also works with Alexa, Google Home, Mata, and other smart systems. The best part is that the G-Knob is affordable and starts at only $40.